Welcome to Better with Byler's. Today we're making a classic recipe with some surprising ingredients that will take your chicken salad game to the next level. Let's get cooking. Who doesn't love a good chicken salad sandwich? I know I do. It's in my rotation at least once a week in my house. So let's make one with some exciting, fresh ingredients. First thing we're gonna do is build our sauce for the chicken salad. Into our bowl, a 1/4 cup or 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, whichever mayonnaise you like, plain yogurt. I like to swap in yogurt for mayonnaise whenever I can. It just boosts the protein in my recipe and also adds those wonderful probiotics. 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/4 cup of fresh dill, give that a rough chop. If you're unfamiliar with the flavor of dill, this is actually what's in kosher dill pickles usually. So you probably know the flavor, you just haven't identified it as dill, but it's really nice, it's beautiful in this chicken salad. Put that into your bowl. And of course, our banana pepper relish. This is going to be really sour, acidic. It's gonna cut through all of that creaminess from the mayo and the yogurt. Really nice in this chicken salad. About a 1/4 cup. It smells so fresh. I'm really excited for this product. This is the brand new product from Byler's. Look at how beautiful that is. You get those little pieces of banana pepper, the bright green dill, and it's smelling incredible. Now the star of the chicken salad is the chicken. I usually just make plain chicken, just season it up with salt and pepper, have leftovers in the fridge, and that way when it's a particularly long day and I just need to get something on the table quickly, I just have my pre-made chicken. So I'm gonna have about 2 to 3 cups of cooked chicken. You could easily do this with a pre-made rotisserie chicken as well, if that's what you can get at the grocery store. So we're gonna give this a rough chop into bite-sized pieces. The beauty about this recipe is it really doesn't have to be beautiful. It could just be quick and easy, something that you can do with your kids. Pop that into our bowl. If you're not getting your hands dirty in the kitchen, are you really cooking? I mean, let's be honest. Of course, we're gonna add some veggies to our chicken salad, so carrots. We're gonna get a nice small dice on these veggies. This is just a way to add color, nutrition, but of course the veggies add a little sweetness, a little juiciness, a little flavor. That looks pretty good. Pop that into our bowl. We're gonna add 2 stalks of celery. Some reasons that I love to add vegetables to things like chicken salad or even cooking them and pureeing them into like a mac and cheese, for example, is you're hiding them in meals that you already love, your family already loves, but also you're adding flavor. You're adding water content, more fiber for bowel regularity. And it just looks really pretty too. It's nice and colorful on your plate. And I think if your plate is pretty, you'll probably enjoy your meal a lot more. And then of course, some red onion. You cannot have chicken salad without red onion. I think about 1/2 an onion looks good. If you wanted the whole onion, you can certainly add that if you wanted to. I do like to add something sweet to chicken salad, so there's that element of surprise with a sweet grape or some diced apple, and it really plays nicely off that sour, tangy banana pepper relish, so you're getting all of your taste bud action in one chicken salad. So let's do that. Let's add some apples, let's add some grapes. Skin on, skin off, whatever you prefer. 1/2 an apple looks like enough. Some grapes. Then we're gonna do it quarters. Grapes in quarters would be good. Let's mix it all up. You get the purple from the onion, the bright orange, the green, the red, the chicken, that little hit of yellow from the banana peppers. I mean, if that is not something special, I don't know what is. Let's give it a taste. Delicious. It's creamy from that mayo. It's sour from that little acid from the banana pepper relish. You get the crunchy and juicy veggies and the fruit. I think a little salt and pepper will take this to the next level. Just to taste salt and pepper. About a 1/4 teaspoon. One more taste. It's there. Let me show you how to plate this up. I like to serve this on a platter in a deconstructed way so that way everyone in the family can just make their own sandwich. So onto our platter, we'll mound up our chicken salad. All those veggies, it's so gorgeous. This is perfect for like a summer day. It's nice, it's cooling, it's light, but it's also really hearty and filling. We'll add some whole grain rolls. I like to add some fennel. So in case you wanted to do a bunless sandwich, you can certainly do that. It's like the perfect little vehicle for your chicken salad. So add strips of that. If you've never had fennel, it's kind of like a licoricey taste. I really like it. Of course, some veggies to eat alongside your sandwich. And of course some condiments, so some more of that banana pepper relish, and some hot banana pepper relish for those who like their sandwiches a bit more spicy. And there you go, this meal was so easy. It came together in about 10 minutes. It's nutrient dense, it's light but satisfying. It's perfect for a summer get together. And I think the only thing left to do is building a sandwich and taking a taste. So let's go ahead and do that. So a little lettuce, some more banana pepper relish. I'm using the sweet relish, but you can certainly use the spicy if you wanted to. Some chicken salad. Pop the top on. The chicken salad is creamy, but of course that tangy pepper relish just cuts through all that creaminess. You get the crunchy veggies, it's juicy from all that fruit. It's absolutely perfect sandwich, perfect for a summer day. And you can find the full recipe at bylersrelishhouse.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and leave a comment below. See you all next time.